Instead of executing the simulation in the cloud-based platform of SimOpti, advanced users can use the Standalone AI Facility model. This standalone model is the engine in the background of the simulation. However, it provides more information to the user during the course of the run of the simulation. So to launch the Standalone Engine, click on the file package that would have been provided to you by Stream Systems. Within that file folder, click on the Facility Simulator batch file. Since we've already configured our network model in the cloud-based platform of SimOpti, we can search for it in the Online Scenario tab. From here, we'll search for our project using the domain of SimOpti.com. Now, when you're booting this up for the first time, you may have to enter this domain manually. So be sure to include the full address of https://simopti.com. Once that's been entered, click the refresh button, and a pop-up window will appear and prompt you to enter your Stream Systems credentials. If you have a long and complicated password, you can toggle the autosave password button over here so you won't be prompted to log in every single time. Now that we've logged in, we can search for our project. So here it is in the Demo PR1 training project, and there's our scenario right here. Once we've done that, we can refresh where the Run Simulation button appears at the bottom, and from here we can start running our model. But first, let's take a look at some additional features on the front page of the Standalone Engine. We can also customize the start date and stop date of our simulation, and we can select the display format for the volume per time interval. For this scenario, we'll stick with barrels per hour. On the left-hand side, you can either set your own custom seed, or you can have a random seed generate every single time. Although, to ensure the results produced by the Standalone Engine match the results of the cloud-based platform, the seed must remain set at the default value of 310. To execute the simulation, click the yellow button titled Run Simulation. On this screen, we can view our simulation running in the designated time frame we selected on the previous page. Next time, we'll further explore the intricacies of the Standalone Engine.